My front lawn is getting pretty out of hand. I'm surprised we haven't had any complaints yet about it, but mostly it's gotten to that stage because our actual petrol mower, we've had it for about 10 years, has finally decided to die on us. I have tried one electric mower in my life before, and there was an 18-volt Ryobi. Pretty gutless. It didn't really get through the grass, so I wanted to get a 36-volt mower because that 18-volt didn't really like it. And this is also like almost a full-size mower as well. It's not that tiny little plasticky thing. Double the voltage, double the power, maybe we might have a bit of luck. And we're certainly going to put that to the test out the front there. We're also in winter, it doesn't get very hot. The grass is still pretty wet from the morning, a lot of the mildew on there. So it's going to be a pretty solid test to figure out what this thing is actually going to do. 5 years warranty, comes as a kit, comes with 2 batteries and a dual charger. We have our dual charger, I already have one in the shed. We get 2 brand new 4-amp batteries. I do have 2 older ones that are already pre-charged, so we can chuck that straight in. Got a bunch of instructions, and I guess all their sort of products is our catcher. I have just realized inside, you actually have storage for 2 other batteries. So if you're mowing and you do have 4 batteries, you got your 2 operating the mower, and then you've got 2 as just sort of spare ones, so you don't have to be running to and from your shed all the time to be replacing the batteries. You just swap them over. What? The cat scared the shit out of me. I don't know whose cat it is. Almost got through it. I don't want to go over the whole thing again, but like drop it down even further, because we've gone through the thick wet stuff. Maybe it struggled a little bit with the really thick areas, and that grass was very wet as well. it doesn't drop down to like as low as what the petrol mower could. Now that I've got it cut down, it shouldn't have any issues anymore. It managed to do that first lap around the front lawn, then it managed to do the back lawn, which wasn't as dense, and then we sort of did that first median strip area of the front lawn again on the lower setting. So not too bad considering these are only the 4 amp batteries, and it's so light compared to a petrol. I don't even know how I can weigh or like scale it, but it's so much lighter than the petrol one and quieter, but it's not like that constant hum in the drum. I don't have to worry about spark plugs, I don't have to worry about oil, I don't have to worry about fuel, or fuel just sort of sitting around. Like I get a big jerry can of fuel and then I use it sort of twice a year. This is just take it out, chuck the batteries in. I've always got charged batteries and it's ready to go. And it did it. It did its job. It did its fine. I've got 2 more batteries to add to my circulation. I'm not running a mower business. I just want the grass cut so it doesn't look like it's abandoned.